welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a new unstoppable crypto wallet account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Here, find the application and download and install it. Once installed, open the Unstoppable Crypto application on your device. Here, click on Next button. On the welcome screen, you will see an option for new wallet. Or you can also import a wallet if you already have an existing one. If you have an existing wallet, click on Import Wallet and select all these conditions here and click on I agree button. After that, type in your 12 or 24 word recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet if you lose access to your device. Or you can also create a new one. Tap on Create New Wallet and type in the name of your wallet on this field here. After that, click on Create button. Here you can back up your recovery phrase by clicking on Manual Backup. Or you can also back up to your iCloud by clicking on Backup to iCloud button. Simply screenshot it or write it somewhere safe. For the verification, the app will ask you to verify the recovery phrase by entering the word in the correct order. This step ensures that you have backed up the phrase properly. After setting up the passcode, your new wallet will be created and you can start managing your crypto assets. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.